This is outside right now. This is Mom, Miss Kirsten, and Alex. This is Miss Lynn and Bella. Bella's trying to climb the ladder. And then she'll slide down. That's Lynn, that's Bella.
Ready?
Bella, do you want to slide? Come on.
Sure am gonna slide. Come on.
Come on, Bella. I'll catch you. Come on.
You coming? Thinking about it.
Mama, how do you think the balloon pump works?
There's a piece that goes attached to it. There's another little blue piece that goes to the end of it.
Come on, Bella. Come on down. Come on, I'll catch you.
You're gonna slide. Ready? Here I go.
No. Bella, was that fun? Was that fun?